You just finished recording a 15-minute video. You're editing it, feeling good about yourself, and then boom, you hear yourself mess up a very important keyword. Hey everyone, I am Louis Dem, and welcome back to Tech with Dem. Today, I am tackling the exact problem that every content creator faces today. It's just really frustrating trying to set your mic all over again, matching your voice tone, and tuning out background noise. So, in the past, content creators had to live with these mistakes, or they decide to spend extra 30 minutes fixing a 5-second mistake. But now, you can treat any voice audio like a Google document, upload it into any AI tool like ElevenLabs, LiveKit, or even Morph.ai, and then you train a voice model exactly like your voice for corrections. Let me show you how. To clone voice on ElevenLabs, you go to the Voices tab and select Create Voice, and now click on Create Voice. You can choose from any option, whether it's voice design, instant voice clone, or professional voice clone. Alright, so note this: to clone custom voice cloning in ElevenLabs is hidden behind their paid tier, so you have to subscribe before you can clone your exact voice or professional voice cloning. So if you don't want to subscribe, you can just go to text to speech and type in your text here, the text you wanted to use for your audio, your script, and then you select any voice of your choice, whether it's Adam, Jason, any of these voices of your choice. Alright, so if you want any free tool without subscribing or running into any paywall, you can use CapCut text to speech or Fish Audio to clone your voice for zero cost. So, text-based voice edits can save hours of production of small pieces. But keep this in mind: for much bigger mistakes, nothing beats a fresh recording. Tell me how this helps you, and subscribe at Tech with Them to stay ahead of the next generation technology.